I can't hear you. Can you sing it one more time? Jesus.
This is a couple of the wood shingles, the cedar shakes that I saved from when Morrison Roofing took the layers down. I put a little bit of a shellac on them and put them in a picture frame. So those cedar shakes you see here were put on the center part of this church, which used to be the school hall, in 1906 when it was built. He showed up with the crew. They started daybreak in the morning, and within a couple hours I was seeing the cedar shakes. They had started ripping off and was putting stuff back on. At the end of the day, it's the finished project. They also replaced the gutters, which we needed. We didn't have gutters all the way around the church, so we did some upgrades. Like I said, he had a crew come in here that painted the inside, took care of the mold problem. This is the ladies' room, which now we kind of made them a universal restroom, but the roof had leaked several years into here, and it was really starting to hang down to where it had leaked all the way through. So John came down, took a picture of that, and that was part of additional coverage that we were able to do. I was just so emotional. I think I called everybody and told them, hey, we got the answers to our prayers, basically.
And this joy that you given to me, this joy
Joy that you give it to me.